Hi, I chose my second app as Edpuzzle because in our classrooms today, we use a lot of videos, but at the same time, we want to make sure that we focus the students' attention on the right information in the videos. So when you're using Edpuzzle, you can make your video interactive by inserting questions or reflections for the students to answer. In addition to that, they can also rewatch a video as many times as needed so that they can get the correct information that they need or find the answer that they're looking for. I think this app lends itself to a more student-centered learning environment because they control the pacing and the teacher can be available more as a coach or for support when needed. In this case, my intended audience was 5th and 6th grade ESOL students, WIDA level 2 students that are still continuing to learn basic interpersonal communication, as well as our thematic units for language. My goal was to find a video which pertains to a unit that we do in class or that we spend a lot of time on. And one thing that we do focus a lot on is figurative language, in particular idioms, because they really tend to throw students for a loop because they're still trying to make those connections with the literal meaning of words and how they're used to express ideas. So I thought that something on idioms might be nice. So in order to do that, I went to the top here. I typed in idioms. And I hit search. Oops, well, you got to spell it right. And that brought up some different videos. And I clicked on a few different ones of these, but the one that I really liked here was this one called Idioms for Kids. Another reason that I really liked it is that it's relatively a short video, only about 6 minutes long. And so I felt like that's also a good length of time for a student to sit and do an activity kind of independently. So as they go through, I know you're not going to be able to hear the sound here.
These look like storm clouds. Sure enough, it's starting to rain.
But the video goes along, and then as they get forward to parts of the video, it'll get to these little teardrops here. And when it gets to that point, a question will appear on their screen. And this is a preview. But in a multiple choice question, what does the idiom "it's raining cats and dogs" mean? And it gives them 2 choices. You click your answer and then submit. Okay. And then it'll also give feedback about whether or not the question was correct. So you can rewatch it if you want, if you got it wrong, skip forward, or go ahead and continue. So you can do the multiple choice. There's open-ended questions. The other options that you have are you can copy a video and edit it. You can assign a video to your class. You also have the opportunity to, if you wanted to, add a video here. So you can upload a video, you can create a video, and you can make your own questions. They've also got different channels that you could use. For example, if you wanted to find something on YouTube and use it to create one.